Hello there. I wanted to share a shave with you. I went by my local antiques place that I get a lot of my shaving stuff from, and I found this. It's a fat handle tech. There's not a drop of the original plating left on this razor anywhere. I brought it home and polished it up. It's got an Astra SP green in it. It's got one shave on that blade, and it had it sitting in a stand like this with this brush here. Now, I don't believe for 1 second that this razor came with this stand and this brush. I believe the brush did, but I don't believe the stand did. But the brush has a nice brass handle to it. I'm going to shave with these tonight. Now I'm using Derby's Lavender scented cream. This is a sub $3 cream at Maggard's, I believe. Comes in a plastic looking tube, not the metallic kind of tube that most come in. And the lemon scent of this is kind of popular. All the reviews and all the opinions that I get on the well, I dropped that. all of the reviews and stuff I get of this on the shave forums, all the opinions say that this is not a very good cream. I have used this once before. I bought it because it has a lavender scent. The lavender scent in this is fairly medicinal, so it didn't work for what I was trying to. I was, hoping it had at least had a nice lavender scent, but it doesn't. And like I say, I've used this cream before. The first time I used it, I made a mistake and used a straight razor with it. And the shave, I was able to get a shave out of it, but it doesn't have any kind of slickness, or it didn't then. Now I'm going to add a bit more water to it this time and use a bit wetter brush, actually quite a bit wetter brush this time around. And I'm going to see if I can get some slickness out of this cream. It turns into a cream rather nicely. But just looking at this cream, I can tell it's got a lot of tiny bubbles in it. It needs to be worked, but it's starting to thicken up now. And so we shall see what comes of it. There's an initial slickness to it, but when you rub it against your fingers a bit, or between your fingers a while, it almost gets gummy. So, we shall see how the AD does with this soap or this cream. I think that if one was to use this cream, a safety razor would be the obvious choice. Definitely not a straight razor. So let's see what we've got here. Well, the lather's not bad, but it has I don't know how to That's a better lather than I got out of it last time, but I don't know how to. It's marshmallowy in a bad way. It feels to me like it's a bit sticky. But now, it's actually got some slickness when I reach my hand up here. I mean, my hand is sliding. I'm not able to, if you notice, I'm not able to maintain a grip and pull my skin. My finger is sliding. I can't hold it there. So that tells me the first go around with this stuff, I did not have enough water. And to be honest with you, this would have worked really well with a straight razor this go around. It's got surprisingly a pretty good slickness to it. Whoa. I wasn't expecting that. The last time I used it, like I said, there was zero slickness to the lather. Now, with proper water ratio, it's got a decent slickness to it. But it does have an industrial quality to the scent, and there's a feel to the lather that just but I mean, I could definitely use this cream and be okay. So for less than $3, if you make sure that you get this lather hydrated well, still pretty slick. If you make sure that you get the lather hydrated well, so you can get the kind of slickness that I'm getting here, this is actually a viable option for a really low budget shaver. Now this razor, I'm assuming it's an older model than my 57 or my 51 Tech. It is actually much more aggressive. I wouldn't call it an aggressive razor, but it's much more aggressive than my other two Techs. I like that. gives a really good shave. So that's a plus. The brush is quite heavy because of the brass, but the bristles are wonderfully soft. Wonderful. So I'm going to use some of this lather because it made a ton of it. So I'm going to use it because it's there. I quite like the fat handle on this tech, the ball end tech that I have, and the bakelite handle tech that I have. The handle's slimmer, and it's all right, but this is a much better grip. I like that quite a bit. So loving this razor. All right. I can tell you right now that there's considerably more irritation along in here. I usually don't get any there. So there is considerably more irritation along in here. I don't know if that's due to the cream or the more aggressiveness of the tech. I can tell you that actually I've got a pretty slick feel to my face after I put that water on it. So I don't believe it was the lather. I think maybe I might have pressed down a little hard or something like that. I don't think I did, but it's possible that I got a little overzealous in the enjoyment of this razor. But let's see. Because I feel like I got a bit of irritation, I'm going to use a bit of Aquavella Ice Blue and let the menthol. And there is a bit of, I would be surprised. Okay, not as much irritation as I thought. So possibly there's something in this cream that bothers my face, because I'm not getting razor burn. So that's a possibility that there's something in this cream that's irritating my face. I've only used it once before, and it was with a straight razor, and the shave didn't go all that great. I got a good shave out of it, but it wasn't anything. The straight razor didn't do well with this cream. But I think it would, now that I understand that I need a lot more water in it. But I'm trying to find out if there's anything in the ingredients in this that would might cause me to have irritation. Actually, stearic acid, glycerin, potassium hydroxide, coconut oil, fatty acid, propylene glycol, sodium hydroxylate, boric acid. Ooh. Okay. Don't like that. I can't read the menthol, glycerin. Yeah, there's a bit of menthol in this cream. Not enough to feel it as you're shaving, but there's a post-shave menthol. And now my face is sticky, so the post-shave feel of this soap, this cream, remember I said it felt kind of gummy? Well, now my face is feeling gummy. So, the only way that I would recommend this cream is if this was all you could get. It's under $3. And if this was all you could get, it would work, but my face is getting really, really irritated. There is something in this cream that my face does not like. But, you know, Vanderhagen Deluxe is so easy to find, and it's $2, $2.50, depending on where you're at. I can get it for $2. And it's like 10 times superior to this cream. So I do not recommend Derby. Not when you can get the Vanderhagen, and it's much easier to get a slick lather from and stuff like that. At least not the lavender type. And like I say, there is something that's got my whole face lit up now. There's something in this cream that does not agree with my face. So that's the shave. For less than $3, that's actually not a bad cream. It's just when I know what's available for even $1 less, the Vanderhagen, and then for a couple of dollars more, you can get into C.O. Bigelow, Parasso Green. And so, I mean, it is what it is. I got a decent shave. I got decent lather out of it, slickness. I don't think the cushion was all that much, and the lather has a gummy consistency to it, and it's got an industrial smell. So, you know, if you use it and you like it, I wouldn't put you down for it. But that's not a cream that I have any interest in trying again. And I know I just posted a video not long ago about giving success a chance and all, but this is the second go around, and I got good results as far as slickness from this, but it has a property that is causing an intense problem as I stand here and talk to you with my face. So there's something in it I'm sensitive to, so that will not be used again by yours truly. Who knows? I might piff it if anybody ever wants it. Somebody wants this cream? Let me know. Alright. Bless you. I'll see you on the Big Shave, the forums, and all the other social networking sites. Bless you, and check you later.